Hi, I'm Lori with Hubert, and today I'm here to show you how to change out the frame with the blade for our Hubert Brand Tomato Slicer. So the first thing that we're gonna do is unscrew these two little tabs at the end of the unit. This is on the kind of the cutting board. And we're doing this so that we can get the pusher blade off to be able to change that one out first. Just set this aside. So you'll notice on the unit there are four, I guess, kind of top screws. There's two on this side and then there's also two right here. The easiest thing to do is just to screw off each of those four pieces. And then the blade piece itself just kind of slides out like so. I'm gonna stick the new one in. And there is only one direction that it can go in. I guess I should show you real quick. There are two holes on either end, so that's where you're gonna put the screws into. So it just slides in like this. And then reattach the screws. And we're gonna put the pusher block, and it does get kind of inserted into a little channel here that you'll see. Push that all the way in, and then we're gonna put our little metal piece, screw that back into the tip, and this is what kind of helps the pusher block not to go all the way off. And that is how you change out the frame with the blade for our Hubert Brand Tomato Slicer. Give us a call if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.